Samsung Galaxy A35 5G full screen assembly replacement. Replacing the screen on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G is a delicate process that requires patience, precision, and the right tools. This video tutorial replaces the entire front assembly LCD plus frame, so there's no need to separate the glass from the frame. It's cleaner and safer, especially for cracked or shattered displays. Use a heat gun or heating pad around the edges to soften the adhesive. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool or pick to lift and remove the back panel. Take your time to avoid cracking the glass. Dip a thin metal pick or swab in isopropyl alcohol and gently slide it between the back cover and frame. Apply small amounts along the seams. The isopropyl alcohol helps weaken the adhesive and reduces the risk of cracking the glass. Due to the device's sealed design and use of adhesive, proper heating and prying techniques are essential to avoid damaging surrounding components. Whether you're a repair technician or a skilled DIY enthusiast, following this guide will help you perform a safe and effective screen replacement. Unscrew all visible screws and gently remove the plastic mid-frame to access the internals. Remove all screws securing the plastic mid-frame and take it off to reveal the motherboard and battery. Always disconnect the battery first to prevent short circuits. Disconnect all flex cables and remove the main board. Disconnect the following components using a spudger. Display flex cable. Fingerprint sensor, if present. Charging port flex. Front camera and other sensor cables. Once disconnected, gently lift out the main board and charging board as needed. Transfer remaining components if needed. If your service pack LCD doesn't come with parts pre-installed, you'll need to transfer small components from the old frame to the new one, such as front camera, ear speaker, side buttons, vibrator motor, fingerprint sensor, antenna flex. Use tweezers and isopropyl alcohol to loosen adhesive and lift components carefully. Battery, if not pre-installed, apply new adhesive. Any additional antennas or modules. A full screen assembly replacement for the Samsung A35 5G involves swapping out the entire front module of the phone, including the display, frame, and sometimes small pre-installed components, such as the ear speaker, buttons, and vibration motor, with a Samsung Service Pack LCD. This method differs from glass-only or OLED-only replacements as it replaces the entire front chassis, eliminating the need to separate the broken display from the frame. The process is modular and reduces the risk of damaging delicate layers like the AMOLED panel or digitizer. The replacement is based on a modular repair theory, where pre-assembled parts increase success rates and reduce technical complexity, aligning with modern smartphone design intended for full unit serviceability. Advantages: factory-level quality. Using a service pack LCD ensures OEM quality. The display, touch response, and color calibration are as close to factory specifications as possible. Easier installation. Full assemblies come with the frame already installed, so there's no need for complicated glass separation or OLED adhesive removal. It simplifies the process and is safer for beginners or technicians without high-end tools. Reduces error. Since most small components come pre-installed or in proper placement molds, the chance of misalignment or accidental damage during installation is lower. Saves time. Compared to glass-only replacements that require special tools, OCA adhesive, and curing, full assembly replacement is faster, ideal for busy shops or time-sensitive repairs. Better structural integrity. Replacing the frame as well ensures the device regains structural strength if the original was bent, cracked, or deformed during impact. Disadvantages: higher cost. Full assembly service pack LCDs are significantly more expensive than just glass or display-only replacements, making the repair less budget-friendly. Potential component transfer requirement. Not all service packs come with components pre-installed. If not included, you'll need to transfer small parts like the fingerprint sensor, side buttons, or cameras, which can be time-consuming and tricky. Compatibility risks. Low-quality aftermarket full assemblies, if not genuine Samsung parts, may result in issues such as poor touch sensitivity, lower brightness, or display lag. Void warranty. Performing a third-party screen replacement may void the device's warranty, especially if unauthorized service centers are used. Risk of improper adhesion or water resistance loss. After removing the back cover and frame, water resistance is compromised. Without proper sealing and adhesive, the device becomes vulnerable to moisture and dust. Install components onto new service pack LCD. Now place all transferred components into their matching spots on the new service pack frame. Make sure everything sits flush and is securely adhered. Reconnect the display cable and mainboard flex to test the screen before final assembly. You can momentarily reconnect the battery and power up the device. If the screen lights up and responds, you're good to proceed. Reconnect all cables, reinstall the mainboard, and secure the plastic mid-frame with all screws. Finally, clean the back cover adhesive area and apply new adhesive or double-sided tape. Align and press the back cover into place. Use clamps or heavy books to apply gentle pressure for 10 to 15 minutes so the adhesive sets. Replacing the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G screen with a service pack LCD restores your device to like new condition. Just be patient when removing the back cover and transferring components. The success of the repair depends on careful, methodical work. Shout out to Board Vlogger and to all my subscribers, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps the channel grow and allows me to continue creating more quality content. Until next time, take care and stay safe.